So, but to me now, I'm not really a business owner, yabo. I don't own a business that sells tangible stuff you can hold with your hands, you know. But when this brand reached out to me and I was like, hey George, do you want to talk about our machines? There's only 2 reasons why I said yes. Number 1, guys, I hate physical cash. I'm starting to hate physical cash with a passion, and not because of the pandemic that we're going through or money is dirty and stuff like that. Those are all good reasons. I just don't like carrying physical cash. Abo boza in my hood hate me, you know. Now put me Pick and Pay, but boza, can we help you with the groceries? I just tell them, dog, don't waste your time because I don't have any coins in my car. I don't carry physical cash. I hate withdrawing imali. And then reason number 2, one of my biggest pet peeves, besides people who use the word boy, is actually getting to a quarter place, buying a quarter, and then realizing, oh wait, I don't have physical cash to pay for this quarter. So I'm gonna have to get in my car, drive to the nearest ATM, withdraw imali, ngibuye ngizolanda ikota yami. That is my biggest pet peeve. Number 2 biggest pet peeve after people who use the word boy. But that is my second biggest pet peeve, because why don't quarter places tap? Why don't quarter places swipe? It's 2021. Every business establishment should be able to tap, to swipe. And that's why I said yes to talking about Yoco machines.
Choose your fighter.
So uyangibuza ukuthi, what are Yoco machines? Yoco machines are game-changing payment platforms for all different types of businesses. Sure, a giant business can use this device, but for me, I think these are miracle devices for small and independent businesses. Whew. Hi. Sorry guys, ngathi sengyashiselwa manje. Yabona manje. Kanti winter or what? Kuyenzakalani? Yoco makes these small card machine gadgets where it makes it possible for any business to accept card payments. You heard me right. Any small business, independent business can now accept card payments. I'm talking about your local spaza, your local kota shop. And that's all possible because of this machine right here. It's called a Yoco. And there's 2 types of Yocos. A Yokoku, the one I'm used to seeing, even at some kota places that I go to, akhona ama Yokoku. And this one I think is brand new. It's called a Yoko Neo. Is it Yoko Neo? Either way. But anyway, let's start with the Yokoku. So what is a Yokoku and what is the difference between a Yokoku and a Yoko Neo? So I'll start with the Yokoku. It's the most popular and affordable of their machines. It's perfect if you're a new business who's new to card payments. Maybe you just opened up a clothing shop at Kasi and it's going really well. This is what you need to upgrade the store. I want to know you mean business when you ask cash or card. It's small, it's light, and it fits into your pocket. So if there's any festival that you want to sell some products at, you know you've got a payment system right in your pocket. And it connects to any phone via Bluetooth, and the magic happens in the Yoco app. Okay, so let's unbox the Yokoku machine. Like I said, this is the one I'm familiar with, and it's the most popular of the 2 machines. This is just the start. Dope packaging. Amazing. So much colors. Orange and blue, which is a combo, hey, with clothing footy. Orange and blue, you can never go wrong, guys. Okay, as you open it up, that's how small it is, guys. Really tiny. Really, really tiny. But this thing is smaller than even I expected. I think the older version was bigger than this. Okay, USB charging here at the bottom. And you swipe up there, and this thing taps, also accepts tapping. Sawubona molo dumela eta, how's it awe zikipani? Let's get you paid, always. Okay, so in the box, this neatly packed box, is a couple of stickers. You're asking, George, why are they putting in so many stickers in this box? But the reason why there's so many stickers, guys, in this box is so that you can paste them all over your business and people know that you accept card payments here. There's tapping, there's Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay. Wow. Anyway, inside you get a lanyard, which you hook onto your Yoko Go. So I've seen these people put it on around their neck and say, Ufuna ini? Okay, 2 bottles? 2, okay, sharp. But the beep, you know, when it's hanging like, But the beep, there's your card, thank you so much. And then the USB cable over here to charge the Yoco itself. And yeah, and pretty much that's it. That's what you find in the box. But can you see how small it is, guys? It fits into the palm of my hand, literally. This definitely fits into my pocket. This thing is lighter than, and it's really light. It's lighter than most phones. So this one, guys, is the one where you connect it via Bluetooth to another phone, and then you use the Yoco app. And then the Yoco app handles all your transactions for the day. And yeah, basically that's how you accept payments. Yeah, but this is dope. So this one only goes for 500 Rand, 499. This one is only 499 Rand. And yeah, that's why it's the most, because I think as a small business, obviously you don't have much disposable money to spend on, but this is one of those things you need to spend on, because how are you gonna get money without your card payment system? But yeah, this is the Yoco Go, guys, and it's pretty dope. Love the packaging. I'm gonna repeat that. Love the packaging. So this one, yeah, this is the next generation, Baba. You wanna take it to the next level. The Yoco Go is hella convenient, but this one takes you to the next level. So the crazy thing about this one is that you just don't need to connect it to a smartphone. You just turn it on and you get paid. There's no connecting it to a phone because it comes with a built-in SIM card with unlimited data for a lifetime of transactions. I'm still trying to figure out how the hell they did that, but yeah, literally the SIM card that it comes with has unlimited data for as many transactions as you can do forever in your business. The battery is also bigger, so it lasts longer than the Yoco Go, up to 2 times more power. So let's unbox the Yoco Neo. How do I pronounce Neo? I'm from South Africa, guys. It's Neo. Unless you call it Neo. I say unboxing, guys. Oh, this one you just slide out. And the message here, it's a brave new world. And this is dope. This is dope. Okay. Still tiny, but a little bit more weight to it. I know there's a little bit of more components in a parat. Let me just quickly compare it to the Go. Just want to quickly compare. Okay. Okay. Now I see. Okay, now this is like, what, 2-3 times bigger than this? Okay. And I suspect this one is USB Type-C, the greatest. Thank goodness. Okay, yeah, this is the old type of USB. This is Type-C charging. Nice. Guys, mina ngiyazithandela USB Type-C. I always rave on about Type-C. I think it's the future. I know it's the future. Can we please all convert to USB Type-C? Everything needs to be USB Type-C. Sawubona molo dumela 8 house it away zikhipani. Let's get you paid. Always. So inside, stickers to tell people, hey guys, do you know what I tap, I swipe here? So inside, there's some documentation, a quick start guide that tells you how to turn it on, basically tapping, everything that you need to know about the machine over here is right here, you know? Keeping your Yoco updated. From time to time, Yoco will release important software updates. Oh snap, they update this thing. Okay. To install an update manually, go to the menu, select check for updates, and the device will check for updates and install them if available. Okay. Oh, updates can install automatically too. That's dope. So what else do you get in the box? Type-C charger. Okay, you can tell that this one is an upgrade. It's newer. You can tell that this one, it's an upgrade. Yeah. And the SIM card inside for unlimited data transactions. It's dope. That's dope. You don't need to connect it to a phone. So this one is more mobile, I think. I think me personally, I'd go for the Yoco Neo just because I like high-end things. You know, that's my vibe basically. But this is pretty dope too because all you need is a phone. Who doesn't have a phone? As long as now my smartphone, you just download the Yoco app and you keep track of everything like that. But I'm sure this one, because you don't need to connect it to a phone, is more convenient, you know? But either or, I think, are great investments for any business, basically. Yeah, these are great investments for any business. Let me see what's, okay, that's it. So Sharp, as a customer, maybe you don't even have your card with you, you forgot your wallet at home. You drove here, that the cops don't stop you because your wallet has your license and your debit card. For that very situation, there's something called Yoco link. So how does that work? So you go to the Yoco app and you choose a payment link where you send that link to your customer on email or even on WhatsApp, on Twitter, anywhere. And that customer follows that link and pays online. Simple. Business owners, I hope you are watching this thing and you are like, yes, sis, I need this thing. I need this thing, They need to tell if I enter for but I might need to start with this thing first. But creating a payment link is for people who don't have a business website. That one is very convenient for abantu abanganayo website. If you do have a website as a business, kona Yoco gateway. Leyo is what you use if your business already has a website and people purchase goods from the websites. Like maybe you sell hoodies. After that person has filled up their cart, they click on pay and it takes them to a gateway where you can accept payments directly to your Yoco account. Convenience or what? And then lastly, there's Yoko Voucher, which sounds exactly like what it is. Vouchers are things like we buy when we want to give someone a product from a store, but we simply don't know what to get them. Just purchase a voucher and that person can buy something for themselves. So you might think a voucher system is reserved for bigger businesses, but no, even now you can get the same system using Yoco. You as a business who sells that voucher, you get paid within 48 hours of selling the voucher, and it's another way to spread the good name of your business. Because if I buy you a voucher and say, hey, check out this store, I bought you a voucher from this store, I'm putting you on to a business or a store you might not have heard about, So it's actually advertising too. But anyway, guys, that is Yoco. I hope I've put you on today. I hope I've convinced at least one business owner that this is what you need to take your business to the next level. But anyway, guys, my name has been OK Wasabi. You've been watching Arcade. I'll see you again next time with another review, which will probably be in 2 weeks or something. I don't know. Let's see.
Choose your fighter.